Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? Welcome back. And oh, man, in the land of grills, I'm so excited, folks. We got a new grill. We got a pizza oven today, a gas-powered outdoor pizza oven that's portable, folks. I'll tell you what, this thing is, it's called the Meat Grill. And a little play on words there. It's not M-E-A-T, it's meat. This thing gets smoking hot, like 900 degrees. And you're taking a look at it, it's stylish. It is portable, those legs, there's 3 legs, they fold up. No assembly required when you get this. It comes in a box right there, and you just take it out. It has a pizza stone, it has a lot of cool things going on. We're gonna take a look at this online. We're talking a little bit about this. We're gonna talk a little bit what this is in competition for, because there's something like this, and those of you who have watched these things, you know what the competition is. And I've always was looking for something that was a little bit less inexpensive. It still does the same job, and that's what we're going to do. So let's take a look at it online. Take a look at what this is competing against. We're going to fire it up, put it through its paces, see how hot it really does get, and then you know what? We're going to make a pizza. Stay tuned. I'll show you all of that. So you're asking what was all in the box. So you've got the meat grill in there. Like I said, there's no assembly. You just fold out the legs. It is portable because of that. You can store this very easily. Comes with a foldable, the handle folds up pizza peel. What's nice about this pizza peel, it is the exact size of a pizza you can fit in there. Now this is the 12-inch, so it can fit a 12-inch pizza in there. And it also comes with an oven mitt. The stainless steel table, folks, a lot of people are going to ask about that. I'll leave the link down below where I got that from, but that is perfect for this. It's a 2-foot by 2-foot stainless steel table, folks. And you know what? Walking around here, let's take a closer look at it. You've got your controls right there. No battery needed. It does have a self-igniter, but it is not the battery type. And then you've got a 4-foot hose there that hooks up to your propane. So I tell you what, this, you know, and you're saying pizza, what else can you do in there? Well, you know what? I'm thinking someone could put a cast iron in there, and you could do some hot and fast steaks on there really fast. And obviously, Tom Horsman on YouTube, keep on watching that, and we'll show you how to do that on the meat grill. Now let's take a look at it online. All right, let's take a look at it on Amazon. And there it is. There's the meat grill. You can see it's $299. I've actually seen this lower than that. $279 is what I've seen it at. But you can see it comes with the pizza peel, the stone. Yeah, you should give that, and a hot a mitt. It is. There's dimensions. Let's see. I want to see what the weight of this is. Yeah, you can see it's 24 pounds. So this thing, and you can see material type stainless steel, and that means it's going to last for a long time. Let's take a look at its competition. All right, you know, here's the competition. This is what I believe. Take a look at that. Now take a look at this. Yeah, there's the Oonni. That's a 12-inch, and if you're wondering what the price is, it's right down there, $385. So this thing is. That's the same as this. BTUs are the same. I checked out. The weight is the same. Everything is pretty much the same design. Is just a little bit different, but you can save $85 by getting. You know, it's not an Oonni. It's a meat grill, but this thing does the same thing. And I'll tell you what. Let's fire it up. See how hot it gets, because says it gets to over 900 degrees too. We're gonna see this if it gets to 900 degrees. And we're going to make a pizza on it. And folks, I'll tell you what, if you're looking for that and have a hard time and don't want to pay $385, that may be something you are interested in. All right, before we fire it up, the only thing I can say is that that stone was packed in there and had styrofoam in there. So just vacuum all the styrofoam, all those little pellets out of there. Obviously, we're going to turn it up and turn it up high. I don't want any of that in there. I don't want that disgusting smell of burning styrofoam. So that was the only advice I have to give to you on this. The controls are back here, and they're pretty simplistic. And like I said, they have an igniter that's just, it's a friction type, so you turn that and it ignites. And there's no batteries required. And we're going to hook up our propane to the hose and get her going. All right, burning started. As you can see, it is pretty awesome. And on the top there, that is stainless steel on the top, and that helps to reflect the heat down. That's a cool picture right there. We're gonna let this go 15 minutes, see how hot it gets, give you some look-sees with our thermal, see how hot it gets, and then obviously make the pizza. Folks, super simple to start. It's just turning a dial, and I'm even embarrassed to show you how easy it started. It just looks so cool. 5 minutes into it, like I said, we're gonna give it 15 minutes. Give you a look, see at the temps. If you're wondering where this table came from, Z-Grills, stainless steel. This thing is really nice. All right, folks, it's been all 15 minutes. Obviously, everything's burnt out of there. We're gonna take our thermal here. I wanna start with the outside. There is a sticker, you can see that yellow thing on the back there that tells you that it gets hot. So let's see how hot it gets on the outside. So yeah, it gets hot on the outside, folks. Holy smokes. So you don't wanna touch this. You will get burned. So be careful of that. Let's take a look on the inside. All right, you can see the glow. Oh, that is so cool looking at the flames there. Let's see where we are here. So toward the front is going to be the coolest. And you can see we're in the 400s, 500s, see some 600s, but the minute you look at the red dot, we start going in. It is 800s. Yeah, there's your 900s right there. This thing maxes out a little over 1,000. So it is hot in there. You gotta see how it cooks the pizza. Let's go take a look at the dough we're making and kind of pizza made up on it. I hope I can do this because I'm getting hungry. All right, folks, don't judge. This stuff has been around since 1930, and I've used it before. It works great. Got it right there, and I got a wood peel right there. A little bit of flour on there. We're gonna roll this out, and it's great that they give you this stainless pizza peel right here because that gives you the exact size. You don't want to go bigger than that. It's 12-inch, remember. It's a 12-inch pizza oven, and we'll give you a look-see once we get the pizza made. All right, so there's our pizza. We are going to transfer it over. That way we know that it's going to fit into the meat grill, and I'll give you a look-see once it goes on. All right, so on we go. I really do like that they give you a peel with this. That way you know what the right size is to make. So we're just going to shake that on just like that. Give you a look-see. It's like 20 seconds in. You can hear it. All right, so I'm gonna turn this because it was burning. Remember, it is adjustable as far as temp is concerned, and we're gonna put it back in. Because I wanna eat this. This just isn't for experimentation. This is for this. Remember, hot and fast, and that's what this is doing. Give it a look-see. Well, that was another 20 seconds, folks. That's hot. So give you a look-see once it's plated up. Well, they said a minute. That was probably too long. You saw I put it in and I turned it. That was like after 20 seconds. And when another 20 seconds, I'll tell you what. I know people want to see the crust. There's a crust. I'll tell you what. Let's take a taste test. Oh man, hot. Next time, I'll tell you what, I ain't bad. Next time, remember you got a temp probe, you've got a gauge there that you can turn down. So I'll probably turn it down, try and get it closer to that 600-degree range. I think we're pretty good. I'll tell you what, folks, if you're looking for a pizza grill, portable pizza grill, and we're gonna do other things. I'm gonna fit some cast iron in there. We're gonna sear some steaks. 9 steaks seared at 900 degrees. Oh man, that's gonna be awesome. Thanks for watching, folks. Thumbs up, leave a comment, and as always, take care.